Well, welcome to John's Model Making. Well, today's the day. The Titanic is finished. It's absolutely awesome. There's the string that I've got left. Plenty of thread left on there, to be honest. So I'll keep hold of that anyway. I have done a short video. I've taken some pictures in the room, and then I'll show it you on the display case. Now, the display case, the bottom, I'm using as a shelf. You've probably already seen that. It's on my community tab. All I've got to do is put the case around it, but before I do that, I'll set it up and we'll have a short video on how it looks with all the steam and the lights on. You'll love all the little people on it. I think there's about 130, between 130 and 135 people. A few of them had snap legs and snap ties, so I ended up bending them. They are so small. My eyes aren't what they used to be, not for something that tiny. But I have managed to get Jack and Rose on the front. I've also got the guys with the instruments, they're playing away, and then lots of other people just milling about. There's some loungers in place, of course, and I have put some on the promenade deck as well. They'll be a bit difficult to see, to be honest. They're difficult to put in. But there's a lot of people on the poop deck as well. So I've taken plenty of photographs, and like I said, I've scanned the ship so you can have a look at it. All the lifeboats are in place. Looks absolutely awesome. So enjoy. Here we go. Time to fit the display case, but here we go, it's a slot connection here and here. This is the back panel. As you can see, there's a little hole there, so you can switch it on and off. These are the instructions, but the problem I'm having is the side panel won't fit into these slots. I've measured them and they're both more or less the same. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just file the edge here. I have put grease onto here, but it's not made any difference. I'm not forcing it in because otherwise it might snap. So basically all I'm doing with this little sanding stick is rubbing the edge, taking off any sharp edges, because I believe that is what, because it's a tight fit, that is what is the problem. There we go. That's a 180 grade sanding stick. There we go. Finally got it in. Had to do a fair bit of rubbing, but it's gone in, and it's a nice tight fit as well. It's sturdy there. Hope I don't have to do this all the time. Well, there we go, folks. That is the Titanic completed, finally, yes. I didn't put it up on the wall, it was just too big. There was no way I could refill them tanks, and I get my stepladder's out. And thankfully, the wife, yes, she agreed. We put the TV up, put the Titanic where it is. Excellent. It looks absolutely beautiful, she really does. I mean, I know the rigging took something like 12 hours altogether, but I just took my time, and I had to do, I think it was 3 strands of it again, but you know, it is what it is. Now, as for the display case itself, as I put in the video, I filed the edges down to the slots, right, and it was the 2 end pieces and the back and the front pieces. Just take off the sharp edges, just file it down, just keep rubbing away, because you try and push it in and it wouldn't go. Definitely wouldn't go on. If you try and force it, you'll snap it, because there's not much distance from the actual gap to the edge. So do what I did, get a sanding stick out, mine was 180 grade, and just take those sharp edges off and it'll fit perfectly. Now the top cover, that went on great. I didn't have to do anything to that at all. It sat there and I just pressed it lightly and it fell into place. That is brilliant. So that's fantastic. Now I do have one for the Spitfire, and that was similar, but that one wasn't as tough. I didn't have to do any filing on this one, but this one I did. Now some of you might find that you don't need to do that, but you know, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I would get an awkward one, but it's working. It looks perfect anyway. There's no little splits or cracks on it whatsoever. Just don't force it. But that is it now, yes. So just on to the reciprocating engine now. Stage 141 to 190. People keep asking me all the time. Just read the comments, guys, as well. You know, the information is there. It's on my community tab as well. Next 50 issues, port side reciprocating engine. Now, I do believe it's becoming available in other countries as well. I believe Italy and Australia. Not sure about the rest of Europe, but you'll find out eventually anyway. Once you get to the latter stages of the Titanic build, I'm sure it will become apparent to you that you can buy it if you so wish. But that is it for me for the Titanic. I hope you did enjoy that. I took lots of pictures. I think there's about 137 little people on the ship. I did start off with 171, but they are so small. You know, there was some casualties, but anyway, it does look brilliant. I know you did enjoy it. But thanks for joining me on this journey. I have had a look at Titanic issue 1, and that was December 2021. So we're not far off 3 years in having to complete this. Unreal. But anyway, there we go. Anyway, again, thank you very much for subscribing and following me. I hope you do carry on following me with my other builds. I have got a nice surprise, which I'll put on my monthly update. I haven't done a monthly update for November, but I'll do one for December. So there'll probably be, well, there will be more information in there as well of another new build that is coming to the channel. But anyway, thank you for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.